Hi everyone. Today we are diving into Gliffy, a powerful diagramming and visual collaborating tool designed to help you create flowcharts, wireframes, network diagrams, and more. Whether you are a student, project manager, developer, or business owner, this video will show you how to master Gliffy from scratch. For instance, imagine you are designing a new software feature without a clear flowchart or wireframe. Your development team might miss few key steps or misinterpret your vision. Gliffy helps you visualize, communicate your ideas so everyone is on the same page. First, we will start by setting up your Gliffy account and get familiar with its interface. So go to gliffy.com and sign up for a free trial or a paid plan. Then complete the quick setup wizard to choose your use case. Explore the dashboard to understand the key sections such as templates, diagrams, and team spaces. I will recommend choosing a template that matches your needs. It will save you time and give you great foundation to build upon. Once you are done setting up your account, it's time to create your first diagram. Click create new diagram and select template or start from the scratch. Choose the type of diagram you want to build, such as flowchart, network diagram, and wireframe. Now drag and drop shapes from the left panel onto the canvas and connect shapes using arrows and lines to visualize relationships. You can also use alignment guides and auto snapping features to keep your diagrams clean and organized. Customizing your diagram ensures your visuals look professional and match your brand or presentation style. You can do this by changing shape, colors, fonts, and borders. Customizing your diagram ensures your visuals look professional and match your brand or presentation style. You can do this by changing shape, colors, fonts, and borders using the top toolbar. Then adding labels, notes, and comments to provide context. Using layers to organize complex diagrams and toggle visibility. Gliffy shines when it comes to teamwork. Let's explore how to collaborate and share your work. Click on the share button and enter email addresses to invite collaborators. Then set permissions and use real-time editing and commenting features to collaborate effectively. You can also export your diagrams in formats such as PNG, JPEG, PDF, or embed it directly into Confluence or Jira. You can also enable version history to track changes and revert previous versions if needed. Here are some advanced features that provide additional help using Gliffy. Using shortcuts such as Control or Command Z to undo. Creating a library of reusable shapes or icons for faster diagramming. Organizing diagrams into shared team spaces for better collaboration and accessibility. Gliffy integrates seamlessly with Confluence and Jira, perfect for agile teams and technical documentation. If you encounter issues, check Gliffy's support center or reach out to the customer support for assistance if needed. To recap, Gliffy empowers you to create clear professional diagrams and collaborate with your team in real time. From flowcharts to wireframes, Gliffy has everything you need to turn ideas into visual masterpiece. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.